Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett, and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Maybe's video.
May work ako, Mama. Sorry na.
Why? What's happening Sunday?
May mga gala.
Nang? Magkano kayo?
Mamaya, sabihin namin.
Okay. It's nice naman, no? Okay, that's good. Basta behave, ah.
No, Raisa. Hindi ako
Utos ni
makakasama,
Mama,
babe.
behave. Di ba mga Dapper Cats, behave?
Shoutout po.
Teka muna, bakit behave? Behave. Di ba ginagawa lang yan o sinasabi lang yan ng mga magjowa? Okay, magbehave ka. May gala ka, magbehave ka. Bakit?
Okay, that's good. Basta behave, ah.
No, Raisa. Hindi ako
Utos ni
makakasama,
Mama, behave.
babe.
Di ba mga Dapper Cats, behave?
Behave.
Shoutout po.
Pinayagan ba kita? Hindi ako possessive,
Kaya hindi
mga
ako
Dapper
sasama.
Cats. Hindi ako possessive.
Kaya hindi ako sasama, babe.
Magano na lang tayo, church na lang.
Alam ko, hindi mapansin.
Hala.
Pansin ko naman, ah.
Nakatangkit abing babe.
Teka muna, bakit may ganun? Pinayagan ba kita? Di ba yung mga ganyan, I'm gonna try my best to speak in Tagalog this time, guys, ha? Pero pasensya na kung hindi talaga maganda yung accent ko pag natatagalog ako. Bakit may ganun? Bakit pinayagan ba kita? Magjowa na ba kayo? Ano?
Pinayagan ba kita?
Ela.
Hindi ako possessive,
Kaya hindi
mga
ako
Dapper
sasama.
Cats. Hindi ako magano.
Kaya hindi ako sasama, babe.
Magano na lang tayo, church na lang.
Alam ko, hindi mapansin.
Pansin ko naman, ah.
Wala.
Nakatangkit abing babe. Next.
Okay, I guess that's about it, guys, for this video. Let's move on to the next video. Nakita ko din ito, I think it was last night. Kasi sobrang ang dami ng mga short clips na nakikita ko sa Facebook. Sobra talaga. So I'm like, ano yung gagawin ko na reaction video? Ito ba? Normally, I make reaction videos to the latest ones. Pero kasi kinikilig talaga ako sa kanila. So, in fact, meron ako nakitang video ni Miss Chris Aquino. I think they were shooting like, ano ba yun, mga parang promo or something sa Little Bossing. Sobrang tawang-tawa talaga ako. I think I watched that video for like 6 times. Inulit-ulit ko lang, grabe si Miss Chris Aquino, kakatawa. Yung parang gustong-gusto niya talaga si Riza for Bimbi.
mo na yon ay
Okay, wait. Let's turn up the volume. Ano yun? Tataasan yung volume. Tama ba? Volume up, yun na lang para...
yon ay pinakilala mo na kay Maring Chris.
Yeah, they met na. Friends lang.
Okay, anong first impression ni Maring Chris?
Ay, type na type ni Mama. The first girl my mom liked.
Talaga?
Super.
So, ibig sabihin marami.
Yeah. Kasi like, this girl, sabi ni Mama, Oy, Bima, if you propose to her, I'll give you Lola's engagement ring. Ba, ganyan. Wag na.
So, the first impression of your mom is
Type na type.
type na type.
Asking Tito OG, my gosh. Type na type talaga.
Anong sinabi nung mami mo doon when she first met your
Tapos years ago eh.
friend?
Ah?
Years ago.
Okay. And
Years and years ago.
Ano
Years
sinabi
and
mami?
years.
Ikaw
Baby
na.
pa ako
Gusto
eh.
ko na.
Baby?
Ikaw na.
Si Raisa na pinakaboto na yun.
Talaga ba? Alam mo guys, to be honest, ito kasi, you know, they are in the show business. Not everything we see is what we get. So, kailangan, I mean, we have to take things with a grain of salt. And by that, I mean, we have to be a little bit skeptical about, you know, sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero, parang, yung kay Miss Chris Aquino talaga, the way, yung parang, the fact that she really loves Riza, parang, ano talaga? Totoo to. Hindi to showbiz.
Yeah.
Wait. Let's, taasan natin yung volume.
Manugang.
Manugang!
Ikaw na.
Si Raisa na pinakaboto na yun.
Yeah.
Manugang.
Manugang.
Yes. Okay lang.
Ha? Okay na okay.
Okay guys, ito since, you know, paano ba? how am I supposed to say this? Since Miss Chris Aquino is not getting any younger any longer, siguro she is already at the state of her life na gusto niya nang makita yung mga anak niya na, you know, na merong ano tawag doon? Relasyon. Para, yun, siguro that's very normal, lalo na sa mga tumatanda, kapag tumatanda na yung mga magulang. They really want to make sure that their children nasa, you know, good hands, kumbaga. So, I totally get it. Parang naiintindihan ko na siguro Miss Chris Aquino really wants to see her kids, especially si Bimbi, na merong may mag-aalaga sa kanya in the future. So, I totally get it. Lalo na, you know, na may sakit si Chris Aquino and nakakatuwa na she's getting better physically and health-wise. So, ito talaga, sobrang cute. Walang music. I guess, the one who uploaded this, tinanggal yung music kasi because of tawag dito, of copyrights. Grabe, no? Bata pa lang sila talaga. Wala, parang iiyak na naman ako. Siguro guys, kung may music to, naiiyak na ako ngayon. Naiiyak na ako ngayon. Grabe, oh. I guess ito yung magic ng love team nila kasi nga, bata pa lang sila. You know what I mean? Like, who would expect na someday, one day, magkakatagpo muling sila. So I think parang repetitive na lang yung mga photo slides dito. So I guess we should move on to the next video na nakita ko. This one.
Wala, no.
Ano ba? Seryoso to? Totoo to? Ano to eh. I think some of you sa comment section sabi nyo, mas makikita mo talaga yung totoong relasyon nila off stage. Kumbaga hindi sa Eat Bulaga stage, kundi sa parang mga TikTok nila. Talaga? Ano ba yun? Hindi na to normal, guys. Hindi to normal. Parang, talaga ba? Friends pa ba ang mga to? Kasi parang, huwag mo namang sabihin magkapatid lang eh. Hindi talaga ako maniniwala dito. I'm just treating her like my sister, Hindi ganon. Okay, meron pa tayo dito like a 50-second short video.
How to remove the
Nakalak pa
filter?
yung mga ganun-ganun eh.
Bago pa lang.
No filter.
Smooth. Eh, kasi ang dami kong
Okay lang yan. Your imperfections make you perfect.
Iyak ka talaga, Bim, ba? Naiyak ako, Bim.
Sabi na kaya nun.
Your imperfections make you perfect.
Cute niyo po. Thank you. Team Riza.
Hindi ako filter. Walang makeup ha.
Wala ka ng makeup.
Wala na. I made it tanggal na.
Grabe. Iba ka pala
May
sa
chance ba
personal.
maging kayo? Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Oh my God. Tama yung decision ko. Sabi ko to, alam niyo guys, kasi pag gumawa ko ng mga reaction videos, hindi ko siya pinapanood. Hindi talaga. Siguro like, only the first few seconds, like mga first 3 seconds, okay to, gagawa ko to reaction video. That is why siguro, makikita talaga na authentic yung reaction or genuine yung reaction. Kasi nga, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa video. So, parang gusto kong sabihin, Bimbi ang bolero mo Pero nakakakilig. Yeah, definitely. Isa pa guys.
Walang makeup
Okay.
ha.
Wala ka ng makeup.
Wala na. I made it tanggal na.
Grabe. Iba ka pala
May
sa
chance ba
personal.
maging kayo? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. No, we're just friends lang, man.
For now.
Maybe, you know.
Grabe.
I've known her for 13 years, syempre naman.
Hindi natin masabi ang panahon.
Yeah. We don't know what the future holds. Kaya nga.
Alright guys, what do you think of these short videos? Kinilig din ba kayo? But why did I even ask you that question? Kasi ang sagot din naman dun is super yes. So anyway guys, if you have any suggestions, recommendations, anything that's associated with maybe, feel free to share the links to these videos in the comment section down below. Alright, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.